Let me guess, you post 5 videos, nothing happens. So you start thinking maybe you are in a wrong niche. You post 8 more videos, still no result. So you try new strategy, then after few more videos, you start thinking maybe YouTube just does not work for me. But listen to me carefully, here's the truth. You are not failing, you are just stuck in a loop where you keep restarting before anything has chance to work. And I call this the reset trap. And this one mistake is the reason your YouTube isn't growing. Until you fix this, nothing else will work. Let me direct with you. You might be thinking, why should I listen to this guy? That is fair enough. I have been working on a YouTube space for past few years, building faceless channels, taking some channels from 0 to 10k, 10k to 100k subscribers, and generating views with over 100k or million views. And here's the proof. I've also helped a channel to go from 0 to 21,000 views in just 4-5 uploads. But more importantly, I have seen what actually happened behind the scene. Channel getting stuck, not growing, plateau, reset. So what I'm sharing come from the experience, from the pattern that I have seen again and again. And the reason that I focus on YouTube, because this is the only platform where your content can turn into long-term inbound lead. If you actually wanted to turn your YouTube channels to the inbound lead generation system, then this going to be matter. So watch the entire video and make sure you subscribe my channel. Now here's a most people don't realize. This isn't a motivation problem. This isn't even a strategy problem. This is a pattern problem. And let me show you what does it look like. You post 5 videos, no result. So you think, okay, maybe I'm in a wrong niche. So you start switching. You post 8 more videos, still nothing. Now you think maybe I need a better strategy. You switch again. Then you watch few more videos, try few more new methods, change your content style, and again you start from zero. And this keep happening over and over and over again. And that's why again I call it the reset trap, where you feel like you are working, but in reality you are just starting your progress again. You are not building, you are repeating your mistake all over again. So before I say anything, if you're still watching this right now, that's already tell me something about you. You are not here to just watch the video, you are just actually wanted to understand and figure out, and you wanted to grow on YouTube and not staying stuck in this loop. So done one thing quickly, check if you have subscribed to my channel, because I'm going to break down by step how you can grow on YouTube and get your first client in 90 days. So you don't fall back into the reset trap. And if you are serious about fixing this, so hit the subscribe button and let's build it properly. Every time you switch direction, YouTube AI has to rerun you from scratch. Whose your content is for, who should click, who should watch, everything reset. So it never gets enough data to actually push your content. And then you think this isn't working. But the truth is you never stayed long enough for anything has to work. You are not stuck, you are resetting YouTube AI too early. Now here's another reason that you are stuck. You have got 10 different strategies, 10 different opinions, 10 different directions, and you don't know which one to follow. So what happened? You don't move, or worse, and you tried everything a little bit and nothing works. And that's exactly how you fall deeper into the reset trap. Because instead of building momentum, you keep changing the directions again and again and again. At some point, you don't need more information, you need a repetition, because clarity does not come from thinking, it's come from doing. You need to post, you need to test, you need to see what actually work for your content, because YouTube AI does not care how much you have learned, it cares what you have published. You are compromising yourself to the wrong data. You open YouTube, you see someone's getting like 100,000 views, 200,000 views, and you instantly think, why my video is not working? But what you don't see is their first 50 videos failed. Their first 100 videos nobody watches. Their first time trying to spend figuring out, you are only seeing the result, not the process behind it. And not because of that, you are judging your progress. That's the completely wrong way. You start thinking, should I be getting result by now? I'm doing something wrong, or this isn't working. You're comparing your normal to someone else's expectation, and that's why you feel behind, even when you are actually working hard. And that's mess up everything because even your expectations are wrong. You quit early, you switch direction, and you fall right back into it, the reset trap. So let me give you the better way to look at this. Your first 10, 15, even 20 videos, they are not for growth, they are for data, to understand what's work, what does not, who clicks, who watches. That's it. And most creators does not even reach this phase. They quit right before things start making sense. So you are not behind. You are just expecting result too early. Even if you fix everything, most people still don't grow because of this. Let me tell you why. Because nobody remember them. Think about this. If I watch your video today and tomorrow I completely forget about you, that's a problem. Because you're not building a channel, you are just uploading videos, and uploading videos is not the same as building a channel. And video alone don't create growth. What creates growth is clarity. Clarity in what you talk about, who you talking to, and why someone should come back to you right now. Most creators don't have that. They have random topic, try different style, experiment every single week again and again. Then they fall back into the reset trap because they have no clear identity, there's no clear message, there's no reason for people or someone to remember you. And on YouTube, if people don't remember you, they don't return. If they don't return, you don't grow. Instead of asking, how do I get more views? Start asking, why should someone come back to me? Because the moment fix that, everything changes. Your content become recognizable, your audience become consistent, and your growth become predictable. And this is the real way to escape the reset trap. So if your YouTube isn't growing, stop trying to fix everything. You don't need a new strategy, you just need to stop resetting, because you're not falling, you are just stuck in a reset trap. And once you stayed long enough, everything start to make sense. Now here's the interesting part. Based on what you have been recently watching, YouTube AI actually went through my content, look at my video, and picked this one videos for you. Out of everything I have made, it believed this is the best videos for you to see next. So click that and I will see you there. And if you don't want it to fall back into the reset trap again, make sure you hit subscribe and like this video so it can be shared to as many as people as it can.